Hey, today we're going to be looking at editing pipe or structure label styles. This file ran into a problem where we were adding the labels to the pipes and the structures, but the labels were not showing up. So you see the pipe labels are here because we already fixed the pipe labels, but the structure labels were added, but they're not showing up. So if you go into your tool space over here, then you go to settings, you can go into structure, do the same thing for pipe, label styles, right click where it says label styles, edit label style defaults, label, and check this layer visibility from false to true, and then apply, and then all the labels that you've been trying to add will show up there. And sometimes we think it happens when you copy styles between files, and it just sometimes sets it to false. Not really sure why though.